Hi, this is Taranchalla. Now I am showing the voltage regulator and its components in detailed way. Here, it is a transformer of 15 RMS value, which is a step down transformer, and it is a connection to the diodes. Here, the diodes are in a manner such that it regulates the voltage, such as it only gives the DC output. Here the diodes, it is a D1, here is a it is a D1, and it is a D2, and it is a D3, and it is a D4. Here it is a connected to the capacitor, and it is a here the first the current will pass through this positive terminal, then it will pass to this red wire. Here it will give the current and it go to this D1, then it will go to this capacitor, then it will go to this points, and it will give to the this base, such as it will only pass this diode and it get capacitor, and output of this gives the DC output with the ripple of with ripple. We want to decrease this ripple, so we are regulating the voltage with the IM7408 IC. So here we are connecting, as we know the connections of the how to connect the rectifier. So from the rectifier we are connecting now. We connect the positive terminal of the capacitor to the leftmost of this IC, as we see the brown wire, and the middle one is the base, which we connected to the negative of the capacitor, and the rightmost of this is output of the IC, which is a voltage regulated of about some voltage. Then it will give, then we will test it is voltage regulated or not. As we know the LED works only with the DC, so we connect with this step. Here it is the output wire, and it is a base which is connected to the negative terminal of the capacitor, and it is a resistor, and it is LED. The resistor is because it will not cause the burn to the LED, hence we kept it. Now we connect the power supply, then we can see it. The LED is glowing. When I turn off the power supply, it still glows due to the capacitor is charged. After some time it will get discharged. As we see, the light is decreasing exponentially, hence it is working. Thank you for watching.